Hey everyone, so this is the Smart Devil for the S24 Ultra, of course the screen protector. We're going to be going ahead and installing it onto my S24 Ultra in this video. In this kit you get 3 of the screen protectors, here and here, and then that one there. You get 3 of the film installation toolkits. You get this guy to help push out any bubbles that happen to be left over, and then of course you also get the installation or instructions for installation. In the little kit here, installation kit, you get the little rag, you get the cleaning wipes, and you also get dusting stickers, and tells you which order to do them in. So you do the wipes, they do this, the cloth, and they do the dusting stickers. So we'll take this guy with a wipe, and we'll go ahead and wipe this on down. Helps get rid of any fingerprints and smudges, whatever you may have on your phone. And do that nicely. Try not to touch your phone with your fingers, otherwise you'll just smudge it right back on up, of course. Try not to touch the screen with your fingers, I should say. Then we'll take the cloth. We'll get rid of the excess from this, the dampness from that. My room is quite dusty, so I'm probably gonna end up with some dust underneath mine, which is how it's gonna be, because again, my room is just so dusty right now. And then we do have these dusting stickers. I'll take it and just kind of go throughout it if you want to do so. Personally, I don't always use these dusting stickers. I think the first 2 steps are usually enough, but you do get those as well. And then we will take the box here. If this is your first time using one of these screen protectors, I already have one installed in this little box. Go ahead and make sure this is all pressed down nicely, like so. And then the arrows, we'll go ahead and pull this on out. Again, like so. Here, all the way come out, you can see it there. What I like to do then is just rub my finger around here just to make sure we had it on there correctly. Get rid of any, hopefully get rid of any extra bows that may still be there. Go ahead and take off the top of this. And then we'll pull this on off as evenly as we can. And then you'll have your nice new screen protector on your phone. And if you did it better than I did, it'll look even better. I have a few little fingerprints there, but nothing bad. I really do like the ones that include this box. They do not include this box. I get so many bubbles in it, it is insane. I have like 1,000,000 bubbles throughout my screen, which is terrible. But with the box, this comes out the best you can get it to come out. It looks nice. Looks good. Alright, thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys have a good one. I'll see y'all next time. And thank you to Smart Devil for sending me this test product here. Hope you guys have a good one. I'll see y'all next time. Goodbye.